Hey guys. Okay, not doing the intro like that. Hey guys, it's Macy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a cleaning vlog. So I'm just gonna be cleaning like the entire apartment besides like my roommates' rooms because those are their rooms. But I'm just gonna be cleaning this area and like the kitchen and my room. So yeah. Good that vacuum looks. Holy shit. just did the living room and kitchen and seating, whatever it's called. But now it's time to start on my messy room. But yeah, so let's start on my room. Okay, my room is gonna have to be good for now because I haven't finished with my bed yet, and that's when I get everything. But I'm gonna clean my bathroom and then clean this. But my bathroom's pretty clean. I just wanna like deep clean it. So let's do that. Alright, I pretty much have everything done except I just have to finish these loads that are in and put my bedding on and then just add a little bit of stuff here and there. But the kitchen is all cleaned and nice and blah blah blah. Good. There's like 2 dishes in there that we'll just wait till it's full. The laundry. Oh, forgot to put the dryer on. Casual. Let's do 40 minutes. Beautiful. The living room is looking nice. We need like a light in here because there's really not a light to be seen. So yeah, everything's pretty much clean, like deep cleaned. I just have to finish those and then put those on my bed and finish my room. So yeah, I do have some trash, but that just is being taken out tomorrow or maybe today. But it's also dark out and I don't really want to drive up there to take it out. So I'm gonna eat some snacks while my laundry's going and then watch some TV or do that. I think I'm gonna edit this video until the part where, I don't know, we'll just see how far. Whoa. Whoa. Let's go do that. I just went to check on the laundry. It is still wet. So now I have to wait for those to be done. It's so annoying. I just watched the whole Bratz movie though. Pretty good. Love it. Love it. ignore it, okay? It's been a long day, so don't mind it. And my face looks like a grease ball. Don't mind it. So my room is pretty. It's clean. Yeah, it's clean. I gotta adjust my fan and turn that bitch up because it is hot. But yeah, so here's my room. Hold on. My beautiful room. It's not decorated for fall, but here we go. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, it's all clean. My bathroom's clean as well. Clean bathroom. Okay, this, we're gonna ignore that because that needs to go up in my tub because it fell. And this, I want to do because we have another vacuum that works a lot better. So, this is my bathroom. This is my room. It's all clean. Besides the trash, clean old kitchen. Gotta put those away still. Clean kitchen. This, I need to close that. Okay, I'm watching Bo Burnhams for like the 5th time. And then I was laying there editing, so yeah. I might do an actual tour, which people back home, I know you don't care, but I want to do it, so relax. Hold on, y'all can sit right here while I chat. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Ooh la la, all that stuff. You know how it goes. My next video is gonna be like decorating and like shopping for fall decor because ew. Because we want to make this place a little bit more homey or something. That's right. We have a candle. That's fall. Bo Burnhams. He's so. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.